Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a really interesting accessory kit for the Air 2S drone. If you're an Air 2S owner, you know how important it is to keep your drone in top shape, and sometimes accidents happen. That's where something like this YJH GFQS accessory kit comes in handy. This isn't just a single part. It's a comprehensive set designed to replace the main body components of your Air 2S. We're talking about the body shell, the motor arms, the front upper cover, the middle frame, the bottom shell, and even the front, rear, left, and right arms. Basically, it includes all those essential external parts that can take a hit. One of the key selling points here is the compatibility. This kit is specifically made for the Air 2S, ensuring a perfect fit and seamless integration with your existing drone. You don't have to worry about things not lining up or connections not working. It's designed as a direct replacement. Durability is another major factor. These shells and arms are built to withstand impacts. When you're flying, especially in varied environments, bumps and scrapes are sometimes unavoidable. Having a robust shell like this provides that crucial layer of protection, helping to keep the sensitive internal components of your Air 2S safe during flights. It's about peace of mind knowing your investment is better protected. Now, let's talk about customization. This kit offers 4-in-1 shell colors. While the specific colors aren't detailed, the fact that you get multiple color options is fantastic. It allows you to personalize your drone, giving a unique look that stands out. It's a great way to add some personal style without compromising functionality. Installation is often a concern with drone parts, but this kit is designed for ease of installation. The simple design means replacing damaged components is straightforward. You don't need to be a professional technician to swap out a broken arm or a cracked shell. This quick replacement process minimizes downtime, getting your drone back in the air faster. The construction is also optimized to be lightweight. While it's durable, it doesn't add unnecessary weight to the drone. This is important because the overall weight directly impacts flight performance, battery life, and maneuverability. Keeping the drone light helps maintain its agility and flight time. Ultimately, the functionality of this kit is about restoring your drone to peak condition. If a part gets damaged, instead of needing complex repairs or replacing the whole drone, you can use this kit as a reliable replacement for those specific components. It brings your Air 2S back to full working order, ready for your next flight. So, for Air 2S owners looking for a durable, comprehensive, customizable, and easy-to-install replacement body kit, this YJH GFQS offering seems like a solid option.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.